So here is how you make vegetable rice. I have 4 cups of water in here with some herbs and spices in here as well. So go ahead and bring that to a boil. And the next thing you want to do is to take your favorite rice. I have the long grain white rice from Great Value. Shout out Great Value. It is a great value. And I'm going to be taking 2 cups of these to the 4 cups of the boiling water here. So you got your 1 cup of rice already in there. Go ahead and add the second one and make sure you wash your rice. All right, now take your washed rice, throw it in here. Go ahead and scrape that out too. All right, give this a nice little stir here. Put the cover on and turn it down to low. Okay, so it's been about 12 minutes or so that the rice has cooked for. It'll probably cook for another 5 minutes. This is where you go ahead and add whatever vegetables you want. I have some frozen vegetables and I got some frozen spinach and kale, so I'll go ahead and add that now. Got my Green Giant fiber selection, whatever it's called. I'll just throw this in here. That is how you eat healthy, all right? So the more colorful it is, I guess the healthier it is. So go pick up the one with the most colors on it. All right, now I got my my kale here and my spinach. Go ahead and add that as well. Kale goes in, then add your spinach. All right, give it a quick little mix in. And you just now wait for it to steam through. Then after 5 more minutes, this is your final product here. There's your vegetable rice. Steam still coming off. Nice.